Ready?
Hello, everybody. Ready for the ho-ho news?
Yeah.
Good. And my little buddy here is going to help us learn about Christmas. What's Christmas? Store. Nope. It's a birthday. Whose birthday is it? Mine. Nope. Who is it? Please say whose birthday.
Whose birthday is it?
No,
Oh.
you say whose.
Jesus.
Very good. And that is about Christmas. Now we're going to talk about what we do on Christmas. What do we do on Christmas? Give out some presents. Yes. What else do we do? Put the star on top of the Christmas tree. Yes. What else do we do? Put some decoration on the Christmas tree. Yes. What else do we do? Send the gifts. Give us some presents. That's not what we do. That's what Santa does. What do we do?
Have a special big supper with all our family.
Nope, I'm looking for something. Huh. What is it? We visit family and friends. That's what we do. And just a bit more questions. Don't stop. Okay. No, that's not. Come on.
Gentle with her.
Come on. So, what's this? Okay, let's see. Bo. You're getting close. Bo. No. Getting close, I said. Does a bug go? Yes, but what is this? No. Big. That's so close. It's just not right. I'm looking for a word. When Santa comes, what does he bring? Present. Good. This is a present. No, don't. Stay in your seat.
Hey, Sylvie. She's not in the way. She's not in the way.
Okay, good. And what would this present be? What do you think's in this bag for a present? Mama.
What do you think's in the bag, Mabel? It's a present.
No!
Oh, hey, Sylvie. You have to guess, Mabel. She wants to look inside.
News reporter, what do you think it is?
A Barbie.
Yes, very good. Have our things. And do you hold that for me? No, Mama. Just put it there. Mama.
Okay, we're just about done the news report, so.
That's it.
Okay, let's wrap it up, so.
Okay. Let's do the...
Okay, so come back and say the end.
No, I'm getting something we need for the time game.
Okay, hurry up.
So, for the time game, we have a tiny tippy whippy, eraser, whippy tippy, and some ribbon. We put in the eraser and whippy tippy right there, and we this, and do this, 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 and this, and this, and then we up the rest.
Okay, so you gotta say the end because this is getting too long.
Okay, I'll be done in a couple minutes. We try to guess what kind of eraser is inside. They already know it's a Whippet Tippy. So, thank you. That's the end of news. Thanks. Call again for some more Christmas news.